Hello, in this video I will show you how to delete your WhatsApp account on Android phone. First, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Go to Settings. Then tap Account. Scroll down and select Delete My Account. If you delete this account, remove all your devices, erase your messages, delete your Google backup, and any groups and channels. Scroll down and you'll need to enter your phone number. After entering your number, tap Delete Account button. Next, you may need to choose a reason for leaving before the final confirmation. Confirm your choice. Remember, this will delete your account, remove you from your WhatsApp groups, and erase your message history. Tap Delete Account again, and tap Delete Account again. That's it. Your WhatsApp account is now deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tips. See you next time.